Good morning, guys. We're fishing this morning again. I'm here with Devan at Woodhill Dam. You guys have seen me fish here before. I haven't done a proper vlog fishing video here yet in a while. The conditions look okay. There's a lot of algae and grass in the water, so we'll see how the fish are biting. Hopefully we catch some nice bass. Okay, Devan. Not a bad fish.
Ek kan nie my stok opleg nie. Dit is echt van die probleem.
Jy weet die ou wat eerste kaas die kry en 'n vis kry. There we go. What a nice one. 3 pounds? 2.5?
Nah,
sure.
2 pounds.
2 pounds.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Can wait?
Ek het nie my skaal hier nie.
Can it? Okay.
Cheers fish. Cheers fish. There you go.
Karper.
Nee, is 'n klein baas. Ek het hom geslam so. Got one. En nou magtig man. En nou magtig man. En nou. Ja, hy is er nie afkom, maak nie saak wat nie. Okay guys, at least I caught a fish. Okay, so as you guys can see, it's a change of scenery. We're back at the pond I'm more used to fishing. Devan is still here. We are gonna throw some dead bait or live bait, rather live bait, for barbel, as we did at the previous pond we were at, with the carp fishing video. And then we're gonna fish with normal flukes and art lures, see if we can't catch some bass the more traditional method. Anyway, not traditional actually, but the more sporty method. Oh, look at the cute duck. And the chick. Anyway, the ducklings rather. Oh, I missed him. Devan! I'm taking a trek through the wilderness. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, cool. Well done, Devan.
Thank you.